Alright guys, so I'm about to unbox my Samsung Z Flip 3. I just got it today. I'm actually recording this right now with my S10 Plus, which is a really great phone. I've been actually looking forward to doing this type of unboxing videos. This is the first one for me. I never done one before, so I hope you guys are a little patient with me. And also, just for the new people that are watching my channel, I usually do like traveling related and current events type of video posts and stuff like that. So, but I decided today, since I just got this, I've been looking forward to this phone for a while now. So we're gonna, I decided to do an unboxing video for it. I just got it today, and I also got there should be a charger in here, the one of those like remote chargers, and also there should be a case for it. So we're gonna hopefully find both of them there. The shipping was relatively quick. I placed the order I think last Friday, and I just got it today, which is like what day is it today? Thursday. So that was pretty quick. Alright, I'm gonna just get rid of this. Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G leather cover, the wireless charger duo, and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Alright, so let's get to it. So it comes like this. Put this away. I'm gonna put the empty box here. And I guess it's wrapped in some type of protection, It's a lot. Okay, alright. Okay, so I guess this is the charger, the cover, and the phone itself. So we're gonna put this away here, and we're gonna get to the meat of the video. Alright, so I guess this is the leather cover. We're gonna put this one in a moment. We're gonna put it straight away on the phone so it doesn't get damaged. By the way, no, I didn't get this by Samsung. I didn't get it for free. I paid for it, but I actually got a decent deal. I paid like $750 for everything, which is pretty good. $750 US. I do have to send in my Samsung S10 Plus to them to get some credit. So, but I think that's a good deal. The S10 Plus has been like an amazing phone, and I really didn't need to upgrade. But the thing is, like, I needed to. I just love the flip phones. I always been a. Oh, this is actually the phone. All right, so here, this is the. All right, let me get a. So this is the case. Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. As you can see, it's a very small box. So we're gonna open it. And there's the phone. There it is. I've been looking forward to this. Oh, God. Alright. So there we go. So this is the phone. It looks exactly like it seems to be a little bit larger than the S10 Plus. So that's good. It is, I don't remember by how much it is bigger than the S10 Plus. But it does seem a little bit big already. I can tell already. Let me see. I'm putting it against my phone. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the S10 Plus. So as you can see, it has the screen. So we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna follow the instructions. So we're gonna remove this. This thing comes off, so no worries. This thing is not supposed to be on. And there she is. The flip phone. I've been looking forward to this phone for a long time now. So we're gonna flip it, I guess, right? So here we go. Oh wow, that actually feels really good. Okay, so we're gonna close it, and this is what it looks like. That's actually really cool. It's very thin. It feels like, wow, feels really good. I don't know if any of you guys had a Game Boy Advance SP, but it definitely feels like, like that. And I'm pretty sure you'll be able to play. I just love folding that. That's exactly why I got it for, because I really love, like, look how like small it feels. So this is gonna be nice to, carry around, especially I guess for like females, since they don't have a lot of pockets in their pants. So I don't know if it's. I wonder if it's charged, so we can turn it on. So we're gonna try that right now. I think there's no battery on the phone. I think I have to charge it, guys. Oh, hold on. I think I was pressing the wrong thing. Let's try again. Oh, there we go. There we go. So I'm gonna set it here aside because I know it's gonna take a while for it to boot up. I think in the meanwhile I'm going to put the cover while it boots up. So this is the leather cover that it came with, black as well. Alright, so let's have a look. Welcome, start. So accept. I'll do that one later. Skip away. Copy app and data. You can choose to transfer your apps. We'll do that later. I just wanna like boot up the phone right now. For the time being, use location. Allow. Yep. Accept. Protect your phone. We're gonna do a pin. So I'm gonna move the phone away for a moment. Okay. Skip for now. Skip. I'm gonna do all the skipping for now. Taking care of your phone. You're all set up. Alright. So there we go. Wow. Just in case you guys wanted to see. Alright. Wow. That actually, and it feels like it feels a little bit, it's not heavy, but it feels like solid to hold it, And let's see what happens when we close it. Okay, so it's giving us the time. I'm pretty sure you can, customize this whole area. Look at that. It's got 2 cameras, but the 2 cameras are very powerful. I've seen videos of comparison, and they're very like, you can compare them to the S10, S21 Plus, and so really high quality cameras. So there we go. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it here for now, and I'm just gonna get the cover. We're gonna put it on, see how it looks. But I've been looking forward to this. I was very close to getting the S21 Plus, but then I saw that they were coming out with this one, so I was like, oh, that's like an easy choice for me, Okay, so the cover is actually just these 2 things here. So I don't know if we can. Well, I don't think we can. We have to remove it now. So we're just gonna put them on, and I guess they just slide like this. Okay, so there's one, and we're gonna put the other one like this. Wow. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but it says Samsung here on the thing. So that's pretty cool. That should be, like an additional protection to the phone, so it lasts a long time. I mean, Samsung phones are pretty good. I had my S10 Plus for like a long time. I did a lot of video production with the phone itself, so I know they're like very good, reliable phones. But you can see a little bit here. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, there's a little bit of like, where like it flips here, but I don't think it's like, you can definitely feel it when you put your fingers on top of it. But it's nothing for me. It's like it's not a big deal. Especially when you have the phone on. Hold on, let me get the. It doesn't even. You cannot even see it. So I'm gonna see. One moment. I'm gonna see if I can. All right. So it looks like a standard Samsung, Android system, which I find it like, a lot better than Apple's. That's just my basic opinion, my personal opinion. There's the camera, as you can see, video, pretty much the same quality, or probably a little bit better than the S10 Plus. But I'll definitely play with it a little bit later. I might post some impressions, of the use of the phone. So for the time being, I will, open the wireless charger, which should be pretty cool. So let's have a. All right. So this is the wireless charger for the phone. So I guess I just place it here. I hope it's able to charge my, charge my phone as my watch as well. I have this is I forgot what it is, an Active 2 or 3 or something like that. But it's a really nice watch. So should go very well with my phone, with the new phone. And I also have my Galaxy here. These earphones too are pretty good too. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you guys have any questions about the phone. I will definitely be posting impressions, after I use it, So I will definitely answer your questions if you have any. Really cool phone. So, alright guys, thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.